Do you have to pay to join? Do you have to mandatory buy? All those questions I asked, they came back with the positive. Go ahead, since it's free, why not?
Atomy business is always hard. Hello, beloved Atomians all over the world. I'm Rebecca Wong, Star Master.
I'm Ming Ayu, Star Master.
And we are from Canada. One of my friends, she just says, if you want to donate $5, we'll give you a free travel kit, toothbrush, toothpaste. And I go, oh, what's $5, right? Sure, I will give you $5. And then later on she goes, oh, would you like to come to a seminar? And of course, as a friend, I want to support. And I'm like, oh yes, sure, I will support. And even though I was really tired because I work full-time in the evening, I went there. After listening, I didn't really understand. I told him to Google, what is Atomy? And when he started Googling, he goes, oh, seems like a good company. It is from Korea. Korea is going to be the next upcoming country. How much is it to register? And I said, free. He goes, oh, okay. Then just register first. Actually, everything's my favorite. My house is full of Atomy, and they're my favorite. They're not because I'm doing Atomy.
For me, it's more about, regular products that we use commonly. And for sure, the herbal shampoo and hair tonic is something that I'm so loyal to it. And like a loyal consumer, you don't change. So even like now you have the absolute, shampoos. And for me, I only tested it out once, but I still go back to the original one. And that's a loyal consumers. We tend to not change.
So it's very hard for me to actually come down to this one absolute skincare product. Because I'm an esthetician, therefore, it surpasses not just my choice in the Atomy family products, it surpasses, I believe, all brands of skincare products. So that's the confidence I have with this product because I've never seen the changes of people's skin using skincare. And they might pay more and still don't get results like our Atomy skincare.
When even recently we had this elderly lady, she's pretty close to 70 and she's still working. So, it brings a little water to our eyes when we see that she's able to achieve, the very first level in this company. It's something that's not unimaginable for a lot of seniors. Yeah, so we're both very happy.
Yeah, because you only have one life to live. And every day if you're doing something that you truly enjoy, I think Atomy brings that. People wake up and people are excited for what's happening. And if that excitement continues, I believe success is just right there.
So for us, this journey in the beginning, the road was really, really rough. Yeah, it was totally not paved. Lots of rocks everywhere. Literally, I still remember for her, for sure the first 2 years, many times she goes, I think I want to quit. Many, many times. And even I told her, I go, yeah, let's just quit, let's stop this.
Until I was able to understand that Atomy is considered negative in many people's point of view because it's part of the network industry. And I have to not fight, but a lot of these things come my way.
Before Atomy, I was already very, very busy, but not as fulfilling. That's one thing that's missing. But with Atomy though, the journey was actually very difficult, but it was very fulfilling. So it's totally different. It's different than I think a lot of people can really comprehend because we live in now a world where everything's very immediate, so that's how we get satisfied. But with Atomy, I noticed that we just keep going and you can't stop, but the fulfillment part keeps coming non-stop. And it's not based on how much work you have to continue doing because the groundwork was done. So it just keeps continuing getting these type of reward. So the reward, like for us, is all the members, whether they use the product and they love, especially like the Himohim, or they use the skincare and they look more beautiful, or they just love brushing their teeth. These are all the different unique things that makes us very happy. And then of course, to people on the business side, they're becoming successful. And we're very, very happy because many of them come up to us and say, I love MLM. I want to succeed in it. This is going to be my last try. They always tell us that. And lo and behold, I'm pretty sure this is probably going to be the last company, because they're becoming successful. Atomy is quite different. The main reason, the main driver for me wanting to do Atomy was the charity part. I found the system gave me a charity platform where I can actually help a lot of people. And seeing that, when you reach a certain age, especially for me, you want to do some kind of charity work before you don't have the capability or your body doesn't allow you to. So I wanted to actually travel and do more charity work. And the Atomy gave me a big insight, and I got to see a lot of different places, different countries, and how there's a lot of people doing good things in those countries. And that's because of Atomy. It brought me there. And then also the platform system can help them too. So that's what keeps funneling me to keep moving forward. And it's like an adventure, like somebody with like a backpacker, where you go travel to different places. I actually get to travel to different countries and find those really charitable people, those small organizations.
It's gonna be a household name. It's gonna be global. I believe the vision of what our CEO is creating, if you dream vividly, it will come true. So the more we dream of Atomy being a success and a support for humanity, it will come true. Atomy is a blessing to me.
For her, it's blessing. For me, it's savior. The reason why I say savior is, first, it helped me. I do have the hair thinning issue, so it's helped me maintain my hair for literally now 6 years. And from there, it helped a lot of other people. That's why I do find Atomy itself, the products alone can help a lot of people, whether it's the skincare or whether it's the health supplements. We all enjoy taking it.
Yes, we are so blessed that Atomy is created. The blessing keeps going and going. It keeps blessing and blessing. Rather, if it's people's health who doesn't have any solutions and saving money using the highest quality ingredients, we're blessed to have so many people in our lives that love us and we love them. The family just keeps expanding and expanding. And we are blessed because many people who are in our family tree, we don't know who they are, but yet we have the blessings of every single person.